ladies, welcome back to my channel. It's been forever, but I promise you I haven't been gone just for any reason. I've been gone due to working on my bachelor's degree. I am getting my bachelor's in business administration, and that's been my focus. So I am extremely sorry, but happy new year. Who else is happy that it's finally 2018? For me, 2017 was more of a healing year, but I'm so happy that it's over. I know for a fact 2018 is, for me, is going to be filled with peace, love, prosperity, success, and I'm hoping it is the same way, and I'm praying it is the same way for everyone else, because we all need that in our lives. These last couple of years for me have been horrible, but I'm happy that I'm finally back in school and working, of course, and then finally sitting back here filming a video for you guys. It's been just totally overdue, and I'm so upset with myself. I haven't really been focused on purchasing makeup, but just like everyone else, I could not miss this Fenty Beauty launch. RIHANNA did her thing. So what I picked up is the Soft Matte Longwear Foundation in 360, and I also picked up one of the Sticks in Truffle. I only picked up these two things. I really wanted to see what the foundation was like. I was hearing so many mixed reviews. So yeah, I was hearing it was streaky, it was oxidizing. So it wasn't streaky for me. I didn't use a brush to put it on. I used my beauty blender, but I did use a stippling brush to put on the Truffle, to put on the matchstick, and then I used the beauty blender as well, and it still didn't really give me no streaky vibe. It just seems like it's an everyday foundation that you could wear to work or you could wear to school. If you're not really trying to show out and show off, this is the foundation I think you should wear. Want to see how smooth I got this face? Keep on watching.
Okay, so starting off, I used the Clearly Corrective Dark Spot Solution and the Ultra Facial Cream by Kiehl. And to prime my face, I used my CoverFX Mattifying Primer. So for my eyebrows, I used my Jordana Eye Pencil. Okay, so here we are using the Soft Matte Longwear Foundation by Fenty Beauty, and this is in shade 360. What I did notice about this foundation is that it does dry kind of quickly, so you would want to hurry up and blend it into your skin. And to conceal my face, I used Urban Decay Naked Skin Weightless Concealer in shade Medium Dark Warm. So I'm going to go ahead and use the Mercier Translucent Setting Powder and put that everywhere where I put concealer on my face. So now taking the matchstick in shade Truffle and contouring my face. again, just taking some of that Laura Mercier powder and cleaning up my contour. Here goes my favorite blush of all time. It is by MAC in shade Coppertone. And I totally forgot to clean up under my eyebrows, so I'm just going to go ahead and take that Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer and clean up under my eyebrows. And to make sure that I don't have no eyebrow frizzies, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel in shade Chocolate. So for my lips, I'm using the Kat Von D in Lolita, and for my eyelashes, I'm using the Maybelline Colossal Mascara. And for my highlight, I'm using the Laura Geller Gilded Honey. And of course, the best spray known to man, Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. And here it is, you guys, your final look. Thank you.
Cardi get brain on Offset. Look at Issa Rae. Coming at you. Who else gets tired of blending? Like, I know you gotta blend in order for your makeup to look flawless and stuff, but it's like, bruh, my arm is doing a whole workout on its own, like just to do some makeup. You want to get your workout on? Get you a blender and start blending your face. I swear that's gonna be a freaking workout in itself.